All right, so I'm getting some comments on these stacks here in the sewer line that I should have replaced the sewer line all the way out to the street. Well, here it is, 4 years later. They're still good. I don't know if you can see down there, I'm not moving stuff, but there's no leaks. There's no leaks. Everything's still good. There's a laundry room now / bathroom. Toilet's good, sink's good. So the sewer line, I'll replace it out to the street. Let's go find out. Let's see if that's possible. So there's the street up there. You know, pipes don't run uphill for drains. So this one comes out the back here. So here's that window in that room. And the sewer line is about here somewhere, about 3 foot over from the window. So it goes under this. It goes under these steps. And it goes on an angle because there's a vent right there. See the rusty vent? So it obviously goes on an angle over there. Hold on, let me zoom out. So it obviously goes that way. So let's go down, let's see. So about 7 months ago, I had to move these propane tanks down here and pour this concrete pad. And I had to get all the utilities marked, which was only the sewer line. The sewer line's right here, down here on this hill. All right, so there's the sewer line. And it starts way up there somewhere, and it's running downhill all the way across. So there's the manhole cover. So when the township came out to look at everything, they told me eventually that's gonna have to get replaced, and all the sewer lines into the houses. And then he laughed and said, I don't know how we're getting the big equipment back here. I mean, you can't get it from over there and cross the creek. I don't know how you're gonna do that. Big equipment. You can get micro machines back here. And apparently they're gonna have to tear this all up to replace that sewer line. So there's the window over there. So the sewer line comes out about 3 feet over, and then it's on an angle to that vent right there. So let's take a look at this from over here. Hang on. All right, so I can't see the window from here. Let me go back over. So yeah, there's the window there. You can kind of see it right there. And then you see the vent. So that pipe comes across. It looks like it misses the deck. So hopefully it doesn't run under the deck. So that comes down here somewhere and ties in to that sewer line there. So it's right there. See it there? So that comes across here, and then it must fall off in order to go down this hill and go over that way. Because I don't see it, it's not exposed. So I don't know how far down it is. So in order to replace that, you gotta dig all this up. And I mean, my customer just moved into the house. It was during the pandemic. You know what I mean? You're gonna dig all this up? Maybe take the deck down, all that when you're first moving into a house? I don't think so. So you replace what's bad. It seems like anything that was exposed was bad, but the stuff on the ground wasn't. So just to give you a rough idea so you can stop commenting and replace the whole thing. I mean, if you want to send donations, go ahead. But I'm sure that's going to be pretty expensive to dig this hill out. Try to give you an idea. The scale. I mean, that's a whole story of dirt, and then the steps. That's more than a story. It's taller in the basement. And when I talk about the house flooded, let me show you. You see, this is a walkout basement, but the front's underground. So I'm getting some comments about that too. So right here, this flower box wasn't here. It was just a hill, there was bushes. So there's a lot of ponding up here. And you know, if it rained enough, it would eventually go up against that brick wall. And under the brick is block, cinder block. See the brick stops there, and then cinder block. And there was holes in the cinder block. The water line comes down from the street, and there was a hole around it. Nobody patched it or plugged it or anything. So yeah, water would just run in there. That's why the basement flooded, not because of the plumbing.